to start your bar review journey. Don't panic. It doesn't help. So, how does one start reviewing for the bar exam? In this video, we'll be breaking down one of the best methods in order to successfully hurdle the bar examinations. Because if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. These questions can guide you in your journey. 1. How to plan your review schedule. 2. Should you enroll in review classes? 3. Which material should I use? 4. Do I need to take notes? 5. Is a steady buddy important? 6. Any tips on keeping focused? Scared? You should be. The amount of effort you put in the next few months will determine what kind of life you will be living in the next year or so. But calm down. You've got this.